Cold and cough. Like us, even the animals suffer from cold and cough. Secretions from the nose and eyes, eating less food, difficult breathing, increase in body temperature, cough, sneezing, etc. are the symptoms. Reasons: cold and humid cattle shed without ventilation, infection in the lungs, contagious diseases, etc. will bring this problem. Treatment: ingredients: betel vine, garlic, onion, aloe, gilo, pepper, and camphor. Method: take 4 leaves of betel vine, 1 garlic bulb, 1 onion bulb, 1 leaf of aloe, 15 leaves of gilo, 10 peppers, and 2 camphor. Crush all these in 250 ml of water. Drench twice a day for 3 days. Second medicine. Ingredients: Malabar nut, glory boa, Indian epice, aloe, garlic, and pepper. Method: take 15 leaves of Malabar nut, 15 leaves of glory boa vine, 1 handful of Indian epice, 1 leaf of aloe, 10 peppers, half garlic bulb, and 50 grams of jaggery. Crush these in water and make a decoction. Drench 400 ml of this decoction 2 times on 1 day. Third medicine. Ingredients: thorn apple, pepper, garlic, and milk. Method: take 2 handfuls of thorn apple leaves, 10 peppers, 1 garlic bulb, and 100 ml of milk. Crush these and add 1 liter of water. Drench this once a day for 2 days.